Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to jumpstart a Ford Edge step by step. First, park safely and turn off everything. Open the hood and find the battery and terminals. Make sure both vehicles are in park or neutral with brakes engaged. Wear gloves and eye protection if available and keep metal away from terminals. Now connect cables carefully and in the correct order to avoid sparks. Red clamp goes to dead positive, then donor positive, then donor negative, and finally ground to a metal engine block on the dead vehicle. Keep clamps separated and double-check connections. Never connect negative to the dead battery negative terminal directly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making practical videos. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle I use while working on cars. It keeps drinks cold and hands-free. Look in the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With cables connected, start the donor car and let it run for 3 to 5 minutes to build charge. Attempt to start the Ford Edge with steady turns, avoiding long cranking. If it starts, keep the engine running and remove clamps in reverse order, beginning with the grounded clamp. Check lights, radio, and charging indicator for normal operation before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.